We're gonna learn how we can download, install and set up the Helium browser on PC for the first time. It's a Chromium based browser and supports the extensions. Just Google search for Helium browser and click on the first link here from the Helium browser, helium.computer. Click on this link. Now Helium browser is available for Windows, Linux and Mac. Click on download Helium. Choose the first option. Once it's downloaded, click on the installer file to begin the installation. Thus Helium has been installed. Let's launch it from the desktop. Finish, and it's here. Launch the Helium browser. Now this is the Helium browser. It has got extension support. This is the extension icon and the uBlock Origin extension is enabled here by default. Now let's configure the Helium for the first time. Click on configure. Enable all the features here. Allow connecting to Helium services, proxy extension, downloads and updates, etc. And you can zoom out to view all these lists. You can always make changes to these settings by going to privacy and security anytime. So click on next. Here we can select the default search engine. Let's pick it to Google. And next. You can import the bookmarks, history and extensions from any other browsers. You can skip this step if you don't want to import. I want to import from Brave, so click this option here and next. And if you want Helium to be your default browser, click on yes and next. And change the default browser to Helium. Thus it's done. Let's go. Now you can just set up and configure more. You can go to 3 dots at the top and then go to settings here and then make changes to a lot of things here. That's the download, installation and first time configuration of Helium browser on PC. Like this video and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.